My anus has received way too much damage. What happened?
This will go on Facebook.
All I see is this. It wasn't like boom. Recording.
Yeah, do something funny. Oh, you just... You are an... I really don't know. Oh, that made my best stomach. Holy crap, it actually came out.
Right here.
Corey, how is your asshole?
I hit you right there. Hey, did you shoot him in the butt? Oh,
Yeah. Maybe this isn't appropriate for Facebook.
Wait, Joe. Wait, why do you want me to go? Do you want me to sit by Corey or just say?
Roll around a little more.
I was gonna say shooting, but.
Corey, roll around some more. It's kind of funny and it makes a good video.
You want to see a video of Corey rolling around your fucking curve?
Never mind.
Corey rolling around with a fucking fang ass.
Ew.
I gotta get going. 4 shots. You have 4 shots left? I have 4 shots. Corey, did that
Get
hurt?
him.
Yeah. Worse than the time I kicked in the back? He hit me right here. Joe, you got me between the eyes. Both of them? No, I'm like, I'm good.
No, please don't make it so I get hit again.
Joe, try to load it really quick.
Hey, put the fucking match back on.
I think this is Joe.
I'm not getting hit, I'm just taping.
It's right here. Oh, okay. Oh, my asshole. I know how you feel, Corey. Everybody should know how I feel. No.
No.
You don't have to, because you're not actually a person. It feels like somebody's like spitting seeds at my butt.
I spit seeds at his butt. I got new mail! Wait, that's from Empires. Never mind, don't care.
Huh? Because I feel very sore. You feel sore?
Hey, if you shoot Dan some more, we can get it on video.
No. Hey, Jake, is your rifle loaded? Oh my god! Oh my god! Nice one. Just checking.
I think I know the gun I want.
Yeah. Out.
Alright.
Please be done. My ass
That would have been a better butt that would have went up my asshole, because that hit my asshole.
The fucking hole.
Oh god. Corey, I'm just like...
Please, little children will be watching this.
Joe's like, Corey, put your mask on, because I want to videotape you going with dual pistols against Jake. And Bryce is just sitting there holding the barrels like this. I was like, alright, ready, Bryce? I'm just going to grab him out of your hand and go. So he just holds on. Jake's like, ah!
That hurt. You hit me in my lower back like 5 times.
I got shot in the...
And as I'm going away, it's like, oh, it's done the boof.
Dan, get ready for a ball shot.
This was a fun day. I actually like wearing this thing.
Yeah.
Alright, are we all done?
Yeah.
Yes, we're done. That's it, we're done.
Alright.
We're shooting. Nope.